The next lesson I want to talk about is concept photography. Now, concept photography is different than the traditional photography you're going to be doing with your clients. If you're a portrait photographer, you might be doing just basic photo shoots of models, of families, of couples, of newborns. But if you can incorporate concept photography into your work, you're really going to be able to stand out and grow and market and just get a lot of attention from a lot of people and get a lot of customers. So what I mean by concept photography is that you have an idea behind the shoot, something creative. I have a course I've created called 100 Creative Photo Shoot Ideas, where I do a bunch of ideas. Ideas from like shooting just in black and white, shooting at night, shooting in the rain, shooting with water, shooting with horses, shooting with blank, and just so many ideas. Getting into concept photography, and you should really check out the course, will really help you out as a photographer because it really makes you interesting. You're not shooting the same types of pictures over and over again. You're really trying something new. And with concept photography, you can have the customers come back and shoot with you again. And with that, I was able to build a huge portfolio because of concept photography. And even though the portfolio might include a lot of the same faces, thanks to concept photography, I was able to get them to come back and shoot with me again, which means it's repeat business, and I'm making a living as a photographer because of it. So concept photography really took my business to the next level. It's kind of like products. So let's say you sell shirts and you're really good at doing shirts and you're selling shirts and shirts and shirts. Concept photography is like doing pants and shoes and hats and glasses. Now you have more to offer. And the people that buy your shirts might now buy your pants and might now buy your shoes, now might buy your hats. And that is what concept photography allows you to do. Your basic photo shoot now includes this concept and this concept and this concept as different products that you can sell to your clients and really help grow your business and have more to offer. So really try to see if concept photography is for you, if you can get into that. And you might have to start those concept shoots for free to build your portfolio with concept photography and unique photo shoots. But then from there, and you're good with it and you know how to do it, you can start charging for it. So that's it when it comes to another strategy for marketing your business, and that is concept photography. Now we're going to move on to the next lesson.